Welcome to Hotels. Get ready to dive into the fun as we take you on a thrilling tour of 8 incredible hotels with slides in Alicante. Let the water adventures begin. Remember that you have the links to all the accommodations in the description. Number 1. Set just 400 meters from Levante Beach in Benidorm, this hotel offers an outdoor pool. The spa area at Rosamer includes a hot tub and sauna. Hotel Rosamer has a buffet restaurant with show cooking and a poolside snack bar. Guests can also relax in the hotel's piano bar. The spacious, air-conditioned rooms at Rosamer include a furnished balcony. Featuring simple decor, they come with a private bathroom. The outdoor pool is surrounded by a sun terrace and loungers. The hotel also offers a gym and table tennis facilities. A wide range of entertainment is also provided. Children can enjoy the seasonal water park. Number 2. RH Princesa has a peaceful setting in Benidorm, 400 meters from Levante Beach. The hotel offers a swimming pool with 2 slides, a hydro-massage pool and a splash zone with games for children. Free Wi-Fi is provided. Rooms at the RH Princesa are bright and spacious with wooden flooring. They feature air conditioning, a flat-screen TV and a minibar. Most rooms have a private terrace. The hotel has a coffee bar, a buffet-style restaurant and a piano lounge. The 24-hour reception offers currency exchange and bicycle rental. There is also a children's playground. Entry to the RH Princessa's spa comes at an extra cost. It offers beauty treatments and includes a heated indoor pool, hot tub and Turkish baths. There is also a gym. The hotel is a short walk from Benidorm's Igara Park. There are plenty of shops, markets and bars nearby. Aqualandia Water Park is less than 3 kilometers away. Number 3. Situated 10 minutes walk from La Cala Beach and Poniente Beach, Magic Tropical Splash features a 3,000 square meters water park, Pirate's Adventure, with 6 water slides and a giant pirate boat. There is also an on-site spa and gym. You will find a 1,000 square meters lagoon-style pool with a hot tub area for adults and a sun terrace with Balinese beds. There is also a video game and virtual reality area. Magic Tropical Splash has a variety of snack bars and restaurants open all day. All apartments have an equipped kitchenette, a TV and a private bathroom. Many also have a private terrace. Central Benidorm with its bars, restaurants and shops is around 15 minutes drive away. Number 4. Magic Aqua Rock Gardens is the perfect place for a fun-filled holiday in the sun in Benidorm. It is a 2-minute walk from the beach, and set in tranquil surroundings, just outside the city center. Magic Aqua Rock Gardens is located only 150 meters from Levante Beach, where you can spend the day soaking up the sun and relaxing on the fine sands. Unwind by the complex's swimming pool during the day. Read a book on the sun loungers surrounding the pool, or enjoy a sleep in the shade. You can then take a dip in the pool to cool off in the hot midday temperatures. Water slides and a hot tub are available in the summer months. Ideal for families, the Magic Aqua Rock Gardens is equipped with a children's play area and an entertainment program, suitable for both adults and children. Number 5. Set 4 kilometers from Benidorm, this medieval-themed complex offers entertainment for children. Magic Robin Hood includes a huge outdoor pool with water slides. It also has a game and adventure area with zip line. Each air-conditioned Magic Robin Hood bungalow has 2 bedrooms, a bathroom and a living area with sofa and TV. The kitchen area includes a mini fridge and tea and coffee-making facilities. Guests at Magic Robin Hood can relax at the chill-out or the spa. There is also a games experience room with the latest video games and virtual reality. Magic Robin Hood is a short drive from the beaches of the Costa Blanca and offers free public parking on site. Alicante Airport is 53 kilometers away, with easy access via the nearby AP7 motorway. The buffet restaurant serves varied meals for breakfast, lunch and dinner. There is also a grill restaurant, a snack bar and various bars and terraces. Number 6. Albir Garden Resort is situated in the center of Albir, 15 minutes walk from the beach. Set in attractive grounds, This resort features an outdoor pool and spa. Each of the Albir's well-equipped rooms is air-conditioned and spacious. All rooms have balconies, kitchenettes and seating areas with satellite TV. The Albir Gardens Buffet restaurant serves a selection of international dishes and offers views of the pool. There is also a snack bar on site. The Albir Gardens Spa has Turkish baths, hot tub and sauna. There is also a beauty salon, where treatments include massage. The complex is within walking distance of the center of Albir and is a 5-minute drive from the lively resort of Benidorm. Aqualandia and Mundamar theme parks are 4 kilometers away. Number 7. Deloi Aqua Center is a modern hotel and spa in a quiet area just outside Benidorm. It has a swimming pool, and the spacious, air-conditioned rooms have balconies and satellite TV. The Aqualandia and Mundamar water parks are just 800 meters from Deloi Hotel. Aqua Center Hotel is 1.5 kilometers from Benidorm Center and the popular Levante Beach. There are regular local bus services to the city and beaches. The Hotel Deloi Benidorm's Wellness Center has an indoor pool and hot tub. It offers a thermal circuit and beauty treatments. The buffet restaurant offers show cooking. It serves a wide selection of local and international dishes. There is also a cafe bar. Please note the property has 2 rooms adapted for disabled guests. These cannot be reserved in advance, however, and can only be requested upon check-in and depending on availability. Number 8. Set within Benidorm's Magic Natura Animal and Water Park, the Polynesian Lodge Resort offers accommodation in themed bungalows. The parks include swimming pools, restaurants, bars and children's clubs. Bright and spacious, the bungalows have air conditioning and free Wi-Fi. Each one has a private terrace, a microwave and a flat-screen TV. Their bathrooms include a hairdryer and free toiletries. As well as the many water rides, guests can enjoy daytime and nighttime safari trips or environmental and science workshops. Guests have access to the Aqua Natura Water Park and the Terra Natura Zoo. Benidorm and its beach can be reached in 10 minutes drive. Terra Mythica Theme Park is also 10 minutes away by car, and Villaitana Golf Course is 5 minutes drive away. Free parking is available on site and the resort can also arrange a shuttle service. Alicante Airport can be reached in a 40-minute drive. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.